What's up, members? The YouTube portfolio is exploding. We're getting close to 150,000. Just this year, we were at 53,000. The portfolio is now at 144,000, up 18% year to date. We are beating the S&P 500 by 6%. Let's get into the top holdings within the portfolio. All right, so breaking it down, we have some big movers right now. Alibaba is up 69%. We're up 1,200 on that. My main holding, FSPGX, the large cap growth, is up over $18,000. That makes up about 55% of the portfolio. Google is up over 50%. We bought those April lows during those tariffs talk. 160 cost basis, we're up $6,000. Home Depot, we have $873. We're up. Microsoft, we're up 40%, up $1,500. Nike is still lagging right now. I'm going to continue to add in this position, up 7%. Starbucks is another stock that I'm going to continue adding to, down 7%. And Tesla, Tesla, up 68%, $3,400, making new highs right now at $368 per share. And United Healthcare, if you were a member of my YouTube channel, we've been calling out United Healthcare. We called out Google and we called out Tesla. These are excellent moves. UNH at $353 per share. We're up $1,800 on them. Portfolio is up 33,000 year to date, totaling 144,000. Members, I appreciate you supporting the channel. For $1.99 a month, you get access to these videos faster than the regular public. You have the Trading Core, where you get the weekly exclusive watch list of stocks that I'm trading. And then Trading Elite, where you get the portfolio updates, not only from Just Fidelity, but Gemini Crypto as well. You get to learn my day trading strategy, and you also get the WAP Trading Community Discord. I appreciate you guys tuning in, supporting the channel. Please check out the playlist. We're going to go over some stocks now. So I want to take a look at some of the movers right now. UNH has been making higher highs, which is excellent. Looking at the last 3 months, we broke through this resistance at $330 per share. Now, if you're looking to buy pullbacks on this, I would believe it would be good to make a position to add around $330 per share. We're going to have to see with the rate cut news coming soon. We would need a pullback of about 6% on UNH to get in on them. Tesla is making higher highs now. So let's watch out for Tesla here. It finally broke this resistance here at $356. This is very interesting. It is retesting this critical support level at 370. If it can break this resistance level at 370, definitely have a chance to go to the moon, because that is the last leg of resistance right there. Keep in mind your RSI is high around 63, but it doesn't mean it can't continue. It definitely has a chance. And last but not least, let's look at Google. Google is a monster right now. It is floating to the abyss. We drew this out earlier. This is the moon. Google is at the moon. It is currently trading at $240 per share. Pullbacks to 207 expect to be bought. Percentage-wise, even just to get that pullback, you would have to pull back at least 13%. So we're going to need some major catalyst news to get that as well.